One rainy day, Sarah noticed an old man getting wet without an umbrella. She ran to him and said,
Share my umbrella, please.
Mr. Thompson smiled gratefully and stepped under it, saying,
Thank you, dear. I was getting drenched.
As they walked together, Sarah asked,
Do you live nearby?
Mr. Thompson nodded.
Yes, just a few blocks down.
They chatted about the weather and shared stories of their favorite rainy day memories. As they reached Mr. Thompson's home, he said,
It's wonderful to meet someone so kind.
Sarah replied,
I believe helping others makes the world a better place.